Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Today's recipe is this garlic bread that's made in loaf bread. These are long loaves bread. I filled with mozzarella cheese to make it more interesting. It's a very delicious breakfast recipe, or anytime you can have this whenever you're craving something with bread. So here I've taken butter, garlic cloves finely crushed, chili flakes, and Italian seasoning. I will mention the measurement for these ingredients in the description below, which you can later refer to it. So here we have added all the ingredients, give it a good mix, and I'm going to apply this mixture onto the bread loaves. But before that, I'm going to cut the bread into small pieces so that it fits the air fryer basket. You can fill your favorite toppings inside it, like you can have chicken also, marinated cooked chicken also you can fill it inside this, but here I'm going to add just cheese. So if you see the final output, it's going to be a little dark brown in texture, but that's perfectly fine because it doesn't taste burnt, but it is little dark brown. That's fine because I put it extra 1 to 2 minutes. That made it look like that. But for the perfect timing, I would mention that it will be 385 Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. I did it for 7 minutes, just added 2 minutes more, and it got little brown on the top. You need not flip it, we just want the cheese to melt inside the loaves, and that's it. Apply butter, garlic mixture generously on all the sides of the bread loaves. So here you can see I have cut the small portion so that it can fit in the basket. So here you can see the garlic is finely chopped and crushed. I have not made a fine paste of it, just crush it. So when you're doing air frying, you need not flip the loaves. One side cook will be helpful because as you're not placing any tray or any aluminum foil on the basket, so it will cook evenly on both the sides. You need not flip it. Set the air fryer at 385 Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. It varies from different air fryer to air fryer, but this is the perfect time just to melt the mozzarella cheese. I did little bit longer so it got that nice dark brown on top, but which is not actually required. Fill mozzarella cheese. And it's all set to be air fried. I would like to mention here that I've shared around 120 plus air fryer recipe in my channel. So if you're new to my channel, please click on that subscribe button and the bell icon next to it. So whenever I upload a new recipe, you will get the notification for that. Also, I will mention all the recipes that I have made in air fryer. The playlist, I will share it in the description below. It's all set to be air fried. 385 degree Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. So as I mentioned, I put little extra, that's why it has that nice brown top, but that's okay, it doesn't taste burnt. It's all ready to be enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed this easy recipe that you can make in your air fryer. See you soon with new video again. I hope you're enjoying all the recipes that I'm sharing with you. See you soon. Bye bye and take care.